programa ay rated PG. Ito ay nangangailangan ng patnubay at gabay ng magulang para sa mga batang manonood.
It's 5 o'clock in the morning. Conversation got boring. You said you'd go into bed soon, so I snuck off to your bedroom. And I thought I'd just wait there until I heard you come upstairs. And I pretended I was sleeping, and I was hoping.
Come, baby, come, baby, baby, come, 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 baby, come, baby, baby, come, come. 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 Step, everybody, step, everybody.
This is a new tune. Get used to it.
Soulja Boy, go. Hey, I got this new dance for y'all called the Soulja Boy. You gotta punch, then crank back 3 times from left to right. Soulja Boy, I win it. Why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that Soulja Boy, that Superman, that now why me you? Crank that soul, 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 now what? Soulja Boy, I win it. Why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that Soulja Boy, that Superman, that now why me you? Crank that soul, 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 now.
Hey! What are you trying to do? You ruined my record, man! I just bought it!
Can't touch this. Can't touch this.
Break it down! Hammer time!
Alam mo bang pag mo ako sa sigaw, hanggang paglaki mo, manunloko ka na dyan! Ano, magkasama ka na! Magkaanak ka na! Manunloko yung buhay mo! Ano lang sisigaw ano? Hindi ko kinakausap ko!
Oh, yeah!
Paano maging pogi? 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 Paano maging pogi?
Get ready for the next battle.
Let's go! Let's go!
Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader.
Follow me!
Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader.
Kung ano, pare tayo, posisyon!
Let's go!
Kumot-kumot, kumot-kumot, sa dakong kamot, sa dakong kamot, ang dughan mong pagkadako, dako sa gugma.
Sino na pinalupok de? Nagkakatulog ng mga tao de? Nagkakatulog ng tao? Sino na palabok? Ha? Ako? Kaamil ka ba? Borok sirbo!
What's the block? What's the block? What's the block? What's the block?
Heto na! Heto na! Heto na!
Fight! Seryoso kami.
Telefonita toca, è meglio attendere. Di nuovo attendi solo, telefone. Pwede sa biglo, pwede sa dama, bonita, attending tang mamano. Si você não atender, mas perder o biglo. Attending tang, telefone. 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 Dali kong pinuputol ang siyong na ito para bigyang babala ang mga batang ito. Mga mamas boys, pasok.
Anong kalokohan yan? The original Playboy. Your mind. Test your mind.
Hey, party people in the house.
Let's go! Oh yeah! How low can you go? Check this out.
I don't see how you can hate from outside of the club. You can't even get in. Leg out.
Let's go! Cause I'm feeling like I'm running and I'm feeling like I gotta get away. Better know that I don't and I won't ever stop. Cause you know I gotta win every day. See that really wanna pop me. Just know that you will never flop me. And I know that I gotta be a little cocky. You ain't never gonna stop me. Every time I come a nigga gotta set it, then I gotta go and then I gotta get it, then I gotta blow and then I gotta shut it. Any little thing a nigga think that he be doing cause it doesn't matter cause I'm gonna do it.
I am sorry.
Let's go!
My life is brilliant. My love is pure. I saw an angel, of that I'm sure. She smiled at me on the subway. She was with another man, but I won't lose no sleep on that, cause I've got a plan.
I'm staring out of my window and the rain is pouring down. When you left, I was so low, but I'm not gonna drown. I don't need no shoulder, I'm gonna be a soldier. I just wanna feel something I don't understand. I'm just gonna run right through the rain. I'm just gonna dance right through the pain. I just wanna feel that rhythm, feel that drum. Let my heart beat louder, let my heart speak louder than my head. Heart beat louder than my head. Heart speak louder, wanna feel that rhythm, feel that drum. Let my heart beat louder, let my heart speak louder than my
Finished or not finished? Pass your papers. 10, 9, 8.
7 lang nasagot ko. Nag-aaral naman ako.
Sabi ng nanay,
Try and try until you succeed.
Finish or not?
God gave me